Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes 2021 and 22. Today we will discuss memory and storage. So let's start this video. Memory. A computer memory is just like a human brain. It is used to store data and instructions. Computer memory is the storage space in a computer where data is to be processed and instructions required for processing are stored. Computer memory is divided into two types. Primary memory is called volatile memory. Secondary memory is called non-volatile memory. Repeat again. Means computer memory is just like a human brain. It is used to store an instruction. Computer memory is the storage space in a computer where data is to be processed and instructions required for processing are stored. Means computer memory is the storage space where you can store large amount of data in the form of image, audio, video, pictures, documents, and memory are two types, primary and secondary. Memory, here the classification. Memory and memory are two types, primary memory and secondary memory. And primary memory further divided into two types, RAM and ROM. And secondary memory further divided hard disks, floppy disks, CD-ROM, DVD, pen drive. There are so many. So means it's commonly means memory are divided into two types, primary memory and secondary memory. So let's discuss one by one. Primary memory or volatile memory. Primary memory is internal memory of the computer. Primary memory is the internal memory of the computer. It is also known as main memory and temporary memory. Means primary memory is an internal memory of the computer. It is also known as main memory or temporary memory. Primary memory is a nature volatile. It means when power is switched off, it lost all data. Its primary memory is volatile memory. When power is switched off, it's lost all data. Primary memory is generally of two types, RAM and ROM. RAM and ROM. RAM means random access memory. ROM means read-only memory. Yes, I repeat again, primary memory. Primary memory is the internal memory of computer. It is also known as main memory and temporary memory. Primary memory is volatile because when power is switched off, it's lost all data. And primary memory are two types, RAM and ROM. RAM, random access memory. RAM is known as read-write memory. It generally refers as main memory of the computer system. It is a temporary memory. The information stored in this memory is lost as the power supply to the computer is switched off. RAM is also two types, static RAM and dynamic RAM. But in your syllabus only RAM and ROM. I repeat, RAM, random access memory. The full form of RAM is random access memory. RAM is also known as read-write memory. It generally refers to the main memory of the computer system. It is a temporary memory because the information stored in the memory is lost. The power supply of the computer is switched off. So this is the RAM, random access memory. ROM, read-only memory. ROM is permanent type memory. It contains or not lost when power supply is switched off. ROM cannot be overwritten by the computer. It is also called the non-volatile memory. ROM is a permanent type of memory. It contains not lost when power supply is switched off. ROM is called the non-volatile memory. ROM is the permanent type of memory. ROM is also called the non-volatile memory because the power supply is switched off. Your data is not lost. ROM chips are not only used in the computer but also in other electronic items like washing machines and microwaves, oven, etc. Means this is the ROM. Means ROM is not only used in computer but also used in different electronic devices. Here the difference between RAM and ROM through table RAM and ROM. First, RAM, temporary memory storage. A temporary memory. RAM is the temporary storage, ROM is permanent storage. Second, store data in MB means megabyte and store data in GB. Third, RAM is volatile, ROM is non-volatile. Fourth, RAM used in normal operation, ROM used for startup process of computer. Fifth, RAM writing data is faster, ROM writing data is slower. So these are the difference between RAM and ROM. Next one is the secondary memory or non-volatile memory. Secondary memory is external memory of the computer. Secondary memory is the external memory of the computer. It is also known as auxiliary memory and permanent memory. It is used to store the different programs and the information permanently. Secondary memory is nature non-volatile. It means data is stored permanently even if power is switched off. Means secondary memory is external memory of the computer. It is also known as auxiliary memory and permanent memory. Just like in your mobile phone, internal memory is called primary memory and external means you use chip, so this chip is called the secondary memory card. So it is also called the auxiliary memory. It is used to store the different program like audio, video, pictures and the information permanently. Secondary memory is nature non-volatile because your data is stored permanently. Next one, the hard disk drive. Hard disk drive is a type of secondary memory which is used to store a large amount of data since it has a high storage capacity. Means hard disk drive is a type of secondary memory which is used to store a large amount of data like audio, video, pictures. You can store large amount of data. Now present times 500 GB or 1 terabyte memory available. Data can be stored on hard disks for a long term. And hard disks are two types. First, internal hard disks and second, external hard disks. And external hard disk also called the portable hard disks. First one, internal hard disks. This is the main storage device of the computer which is fixed inside the CPU box. Means internal hard disk is the main storage device of the computer which is fixed inside the CPU box. Second, the external hard disk. External hard disk is a portable device used to store data. Means external hard disk is also called the portable hard disk. It is a portable device used to store data in just like a pen drive. But external hard disk is a large storage capacity like 1 terabyte, 500 GB like this. So you can store your data in this device to save. Next one is the floppy disk. These are small removable disks that are plastic coated with magnetic recording material. Means small removable disk. In this floppy disk you can store a small amount of data. Floppy disks are typically 3.5 in size diameter and can hold 1.44 MB of data. Means floppy disk is removable, small removable hard disk, plastic coated with magnetic recording material, and the floppy disk size 3.5 in size diameter and can hold only 1.44 MB of data. Here are the features of floppy disk. Next is the compact disk. Compact disk is used to read and write data. It is circular in shape. Compact disks come in various types of depending upon the applications. Means compact disks to use read and write data. Means here the compact disk you can read and write data in the form of documents, audio, video, pictures, and this circular form. And there are two types mainly, but here CD-ROM it is read only disk. CDR data in CDR can be retained, means CD means compact disk, readable, retain once and but read many times. CDRW means data retained in CDRW can be erased, rewritable. CD-ROM means it is read only disk. CDR means data in CDR can be retained once and read many times, but CDRW data retained in CD can be erased, means you can erase and upload new data. DVD, digital video disc या digital versatile disc, there are two full form of this, is a disc capable of storing large amount of data. They are widely used for storing and viewing movies and other datas. DVD also come in three varieties: read-only, recordable, and rewritable, just like CD. And but compared to the CD, DVD have a large storage capacity. Means here 4.7 GB data you can store, but in CD you can store only 700 MB data. So this now present times DVD is more useful for storing data. USB drive. A USB flash drive usually portable and rewritable. It is type of flash memory storage device that plug in a computer USB port. Means USB flash drive is usually portable and rewritable. It is a type of flash memory storage device that plug into computer and easy way to use it. Now present time USB is most common storage device, external storage device. Flash drive are more expensive than hard drives with the same storage capacity. Now present time USB drive most important. After that homework, question first, what is memory? Question number second, how many types of memory? Question number third, what is primary memory? Question number fourth, what is RAM? Question fifth, what is ROM? Question 6, write difference between RAM and ROM. Question 7, what is the secondary memory? Question 8, what is hard disk? Thanks. Hopefully all students understand memory and storage. If you face any problem, call me my personal number. Thank you.